If your child is struggling to hold their pencil correctly, here are some simple and effective hacks to try at home. Number 1. Elastic band grip. Simply wrap it around the pencil and let your child wear it as a bracelet. Number 2. Clip a clothespin to the pencil and have your child hold it, and can help your child develop the muscles needed for a comfortable and effective grip. Number 3. For a more tactile approach, try using an old sock. Cut 2 small holes in the sock for the thumb and the index finger, allowing the other fingers to be tucked away. This helps to reinforce the correct grip by limiting the distractions of other fingers. Number 4. Ball or pom-pom grip. Have your child hold it in the palm of their hand while writing, as this helps to prevent the other fingers from interfering with the grip. Number 5. Smaller pencil. With less space to grip the pencil, the fingers are naturally forced into the correct position.